Hey, Funk Roberts here, and welcome to another 15-minute workout. Today, we are going back to unilateral training. By the way, please, in the comments, let me know, do you like unilateral training? It's either yes or no. I love to know. I love unilateral training, and today we've got another great total body workout for you. Today, we're gonna be performing each exercise for 30 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds rest, one after the other for 2 rounds. Now, unilateral training means we're gonna train one side and then the other side. So in this workout, we're gonna start with the right side. We're gonna do all 5 exercises on the right side first, then we'll move over to the left, and then we'll go back to the right, and we'll finish off with the left. That's a 15-minute workout. That is a total body workout, and that is what you and I are doing today. Now, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but the reason why I love these 15-minute workouts is because even though I don't feel great, I got 15 minutes that I can put in the work, because every little bit counts. Every tiny 15-minute workout that we do is making us better and better. It's creating a new wave of man. So are you ready? All right, make sure that you warm up before this workout. I know it's only 15 minutes, but still warm up and watch the demo, depending on where you're looking at this, or the description, to see what exercises there are. Of course, there'll be a video below here. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's get started. Our very first exercise is going to be a kickstand squat. Okay, so we're going to hold the dumbbell on the right side, and we are going to be doing a kickstand squat. So I'm going to show you right away, and then we're going to get started. I have the timer here. Basically, we're just going to step back with our right leg, hold the dumbbell with our right leg, and just do squats. So it's going to be a little bit different. Are you ready? I'm ready. I know I've said that a million times. Okay, we are going to start. Pick up that dumbbell. We're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, so slight step back, and now we're going to do squats. So body still stays tall. Okay. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Making sure that those knees stay straight, and it's going to feel a little bit weird. You can see my heel, my right heel is off the ground, but my body stays tall. So let's do a couple here. So it's just like a kickstand. Like you've got a bike and you put the kickstand on, but the squats still stay the same. Okay, we're gonna get on the ground and we're gonna go to our rows. Okay, tripod row. So right leg back on your knee, and left hand here, arm here, to give you some good stability. And I want you to pull back to the hips. Let that dumbbell touch the ground, pull back. Good. Exhale on the pull. Making sure that you're pulling back by the hips and not up and down. We're not doing this, we're pulling back. So full range of motion. Should feel this in the lats. Oh, that's a nice one here. Because we're starting from the beginning every time. Core is gonna be lit up as well. Okay, let's get right on the ground. Now let's throw up some chest press with the right arm. Okay, so right arm chest press. You know I love chest press. Chest press. Chest press. All right, let's get those pecs. Good, let's get the knees up this time. Good. Exhale on the way up. Control the dumbbell. Want to keep that body straight too, right? We want to be pressing over our eyes if we can. Good. Making sure those elbows don't flare too far out. Good work. Okay, we're gonna stand up now. You can see the right side is getting torn up right now, just because we're doing everything on the right first. All right, so shoulder press. I'm going very light here, if I can even do this, just because of my shoulder issues. We can even do a push press, as you can see. I can barely press with this side here. Good. You can go faster. It's just the name of the game here. I can't really press too much. Good. Oh, woo. Side hurts. I'm gonna go even lighter next time. Good. Good work. Again, I have shoulder issues here. You can see with that exercise, and you'll see the difference when I go to the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bird dog. Get on all fours quickly. Right arm up, left leg back. Up, hold for a second, and then come back. Making sure that you're staring straight down. Good. And we just want to stay stable. Squeeze the glute and just lift that arm straight out. Good. Control the body. Do not twist when you're doing this. Stay as straight as you can. It's not about speed. Good work. Okay, now we're going to switch to the left side. And I guess I'm going to have to grab the 10s again, 15s. Okay, left side now. I'm going to start facing you. Step back. Now we're going to do squats again. So again, you can see my sternum is forward or straight up, like facing you. Making sure the knees don't buckle. Good. It's just like a squat, so we're, feels weird, but good. Keep the front heels on the ground, okay? Do not lift that heel. Okay, let's get on the ground. Let's do the rows. I'm gonna use a 25 still. And let's light up this side here. But again, where are we rowing? Tell me, where are we rowing? Up by the hips, exactly. Good. Pull back. Good. Keep the elbows tight to the body. I don't want them flaring out here. Everything should be tight. Right along the center line. Good. Pull. 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 Good. You should probably even feel this in your right glute. All depends. Okay, on the ground, let's get the shoulder, or sorry, let's get the chest press. It's really hot here today, which is nice. Okay, so remember with the chest press, straight up. Good. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Really focus on keeping that body straight, focusing on that left pec doing the work. Good. Doing fantastic. Try to get as many reps as possible. Good work, okay. Next up, shoulder press. Now it's the left side. So you'll see a little bit of a difference here. Both of my shoulders are destroyed, but you'll see a difference. How you can see on this side, I could barely keep the dumbbell up. Good. So I was doing a push press on the one side. You can still do a push press if you want. It's a little bit more explosive. Or you could just do a strict press, straight up and down. Good. You can do them any way you want, whatever feels comfortable. Keep that core tight. Oh yeah. Whew. And now what we're gonna do is the bird dog. Again, on all fours, but left arm up, right leg back. So just keep that. See how my head is just at a neutral position, just looking straight down, not bent straight down, but just a little bit in front of me, and kick that leg straight back. And here, we just want balance. That's all. Good. Try to keep the core tight. Really engage that core, like someone's gonna kick you in the stomach. Good. Nice. Okay, back to the right side now. We're moving quick, guys. Right side, squats. Let's try 25. Probably making a big, so I'm gonna step back just slightly, but I'm gonna squat. So our legs, our feet, as you can see, they're not beside each other, just like we're doing a regular squat. I just want you to step back and keep the left leg, the left heel on the ground. It's only the right heel that's off the ground. Left heel on the ground, and you're gonna push through the heel on one side and the toes on the other. Okay, Let's move to the rows. 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds rest. Not much. The hat's got to come off, guys. The hat's got to come off. Here we go. So this tripod gives us a little bit more range of motion. Just a little bit, obviously not the same if it was hanging, but it's a short range. Really helps you to focus on the technique, right? This is a row technique where this is really the way the rows should be done, to tell you the truth. Your rows right close to the body. So doing it like this allows you to really gather that technique, so that if you do any other type of row, you'll already have that. The reps, keeping everything close to the body, rowing up by the hips. That's the biggest problem most people do, is they row straight up and down by the shoulder. I'm not laughing at you. It's probably because you haven't been shown how to do it properly. So this will help you. Every workout that we do, some build on each other, some use same skills, same techniques, right? The better our technique is, the better it's going to be for us. Now, I can't, you saw what happened here. I believe it's probably because I worked this weekend and really messed up the shoulder. So I'm going to go with no dumbbell and just get the actual. So again, you can hold it in a neutral position, or you can hold it out here, the dumbbell. Just keep that core tight, press straight up. Like I'm feeling that without even using a dumbbell. That's how compromised my shoulder is, but that's also how much we can, you can just tell right here, the way I'm holding my arm, that, but that just shows that you can still do something and still feel it, because I still feel it there. Like there was a dumbbell in my hand, to tell you the truth. So I'm just gonna have to keep working at that and slowly adding weight until I get that. Okay, so arm up. And again, on this side, probably not gonna see my arm go up as high as it can. Try to get it by your ear. Good. Go up, 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 up. Good. Up and kick back, back. Good. Core tight, core tight, core tight. Now you wanna balance. Balance, balance, balance. Good, don't just do the exercise. Try to get every piece of this exercise done right. That's our goal. Okay, let's flip to the other side now. So again, with the step back squats, right? I want you to pretend we're about to do a squat. You know, feet are about shoulder width, but everyone's different. You're just gonna step back with that slight step back, slight. It's not a lunge. And now, as we're doing the squat, my right leg, my right heel, I'm pushing through the right heel, and I'm also pushing through the left toe, right? And I'm making sure my knees don't buckle. I want my knees to almost point out a little bit, force those knees out, protect those knees, and then don't bend over. I know there's a lot of cues, but I want you to, you know, master the movement. Master the movement. And I really can't see myself either, so I'm just trying to do me, dog. All right, here we go. Pull back. Okay, right here. This is the one I want you guys to master in this workout, is this one right here. Pull back by the hip. Make sure, exhale on the way up. Inhale on the way down. Squeeze your lat. Squeeze that left lat. Good. Let the dumbbell stop. I want you to pull from a dead position. Good. That way, every time you're building the strength from the dead position. Okay, I'm gonna go to the 40s now with this chest press on my left side, because I can, and I will. Try to get as many reps as possible. Control the weight, feel the left pec. You can go nice and heavy with these. These are only 40s. Good. Let's go. Oh. Straight up. Oh, wow. Oh, nice work. All right, let's get that shoulder done. You can see. Ooh. Some people ask me, Funk, how come you get up like you're an old man? First and foremost, I'm an old man. Second of all, my back issues. I know I say it every time, but hey, get used to it. Good. Woo. Oh. This stupid thing in the way here. Ooh. Oh. I'm trying to go a little bit slower. But remember, we just finished doing a chest press, so the shoulders are going to be a little bit fatigued. Okay, last exercise. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's get on all fours. Make sure you have a little bit of a pelvic tilt. And then, good. I forgot to tell you about the pelvic tilt in the last one. Good. Good. So right here, you see how my butt's out? We want that little bit of a pelvic tilt. Good. All the way up again. Good. Nice work, guys. We're done. We're done. Give me some knucks. Give me some knucks. Guys, it's over. Great work. 15 minutes. That it's over is more for me than it is for you. Thank you so much for being here with me. Oh, what a beautiful day. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know in the comments if you like unilateral training. There's a lot of unilateral training in this because it allows us to really work on the weaknesses we have, balance the body, and focus on technique and some of the movements. Anyways, I love you. See you again. We're building new waves of man, and now it's your turn to get it done.